we're about to play with the snowball fight. We're gonna be going. What is that? Is that a path? Let's go. Oh my God.
You guys having fun?
Oh man. Yeah. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go over here. Go. Oh.
Come this way, guys.
Come on. Gotta go. You have to go to the hard path.
Hey, look, you know what? Why don't you guys jump from right there? Get on there and jump into the snow.
Oh, right. So, we're going to be jumping in the snow. First, I let my water.
1,
There.
2,
Let's go,
3.
Levi.
Whoa.
Levi, Dad.
Your turn, Levi.
Dad, you're the cameraman. You don't talk.
Whoa.
Come on. Let's go over there. Let's go. Max and Cool, go.
Not that far back.
Let's try to find a way to play somewhere. It's like a desert around here.
Why don't you guys throw a snowball at mommy?
Ah, yeah! No!
Throw a snowball, Levi.
Oh.
Don't hit the camera, man.
Get the cameraman. Don't get me. No. Okay.
Ah, it's going on my arm.
Careful.
You guys having fun?
It's a blizzard in New Jersey.
It's a blizzard.
Blizzard out here. It's crazy. I don't know what to do, but I think I'm gonna pass out because of the snow.
Make a snow angel, LA.
Okay. You dare me? Look, Dad. Look.
Wow, cool snow angel. Oh, good job, Levi.
Dad, shall I get back up?
Can you get up? Let's see. Make a snow angel, Levi.
Ow.
Good job. Go ahead.
This is so fun.
Go ahead. Jump like if you're going into a...
Crazy. This is a blizzard.
This is a blizzard, guys. How you feeling in the blizzard?
Oh, look.
All right, LA. Tell everyone to subscribe to your channel.
Like and subscribe. Because if you subscribe, you get to see our YouTube.
You get to see more fun stuff that you guys do, right?
Yeah.
Okay, like and subscribe this channel, everyone. Thank you. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Levi.
Bye.